Cross on time, cross on time, cross on time.
Sure, you understand.
Who stand there? Hello? Hello? Hey!
Move.
I think you are now, Patrick.
You like Gragra?
No, wait. No go. Stay where you are. The man still dey come. Kilo Shamadin by to the Call on, tell him.
Sorry, I don't enter.
You able to stop crossing anyhow.
Hello, photo. Answer.
Able to move aside.
That's good.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Carry phone.
We are working now on the most difficult section of it. This is the heaviest field, heaviest excavation. The beginning is easy, the end is easy. So we are concentrating now in the dry season to make sure that we should finish the most difficult area of about 4 kilometers, which is almost more than third of the total, which is the heaviest problem. That's why we concentrate now on everything here. And I told you next week we are starting on the other side with another group on the other side. But this is the heaviest problem. Here we have about 7 meters in, and over there on top of that we have about 6 meters cut. So we are all ready to go down, cut it, so we should have a good slope in between. So this is the most difficult area in the whole project. We are working on this 4 kilometers, which is the most difficult area. So, one of the culverts. We had 17 culverts. We finished already 3. We are working now on 4. And the rest are on the easiest places. But these 7 culverts are on the most difficult area. This section that you saw now, from where we started up to the village, up to about another kilometer after, like I said, this is the most difficult. That's why we started here. The rest, the beginning within the village is easy, the end is easy. And this we can do quick. That's why we are concentrating here.
I observe people because of competition. They are not new system. They are very small. And that's the reason that they asked me to take over. I've gone there, just got out so that we are not on site as because of their visit here. They have to do more materials of their people.
Why do you not complain about this?
The first time we came to visit here, we actually made them working on the side.
So what are you talking about? So what the chairman said, what are you talking about?
No, the chairman is on ground, and apparently he might come most of the time, more often than time we come here to inspect.
No, I don't like that. I don't like that. That's the matter why you compromise. Like I used to say, it's on ground. Most of the times, you say when you come, you can walk. I mean, I think that is the it's the only way you come down to Saba. When you are coming outside, where you come from the German.
Yes, sir.
And the other company.
I understand.
You know that you put them time.
It will be completed over. It will be completed and handed over. I assure you, 100%.
You
Yes.
said for payment.
Yes.
Back.
No, we are sending back.
How do you send it? When do you send it?
We are sending yesterday.
Yesterday, my friends were calling when they tell lies.
Yesterday was, no, last
After you're a big liar, shut up.
on Monday, okay. On Monday. On Monday.
Like I said, you will commission this project before December. I give you my word, I give you my assurance. It will be handed over before the time you gave us. It will be done. Thank you, sir. 100%. 100%. 100%. And I'm telling you, and I'm promising the chairman, this project will be commissioned before December with the highest quality we can expect. You get my word, you get my assurance, we are here more.
Developing it. What would you say is responsible for this?
I'm sure if it was responsible for developing the rural areas, are they not part of the FCT? Are they not supposed to have a part of good governance and dividend of democracy? Development cannot only be concentrated in the city. You have to take development to the rural area. That alone can mitigate the rural-urban migration. You need to give them infrastructure to be able to develop their own. Now, take for example, if there are farmers there, how would they carry their produce to the city without in terms of security? You can imagine where we are coming from. Now, just imagine that people were kidnapped. How would the security agencies have access to this kind of, look at the topography. So creating infrastructure, particularly road here, is key to the development of these communities, and they will feel the impact of governance. And that's the sense of the renewed hope agenda. That is not just for those in the city, it's also for those in the rural areas. I mean, for me, I feel delighted, particularly, not just city, particularly that we are taking development to the rural areas. See, look at where people reside there. Look at where people reside. I should be these bandits, for whatever you may call them, come in and pick people from there. What do? No access. And then you begin to complain against the security agencies that they are not doing their work as they are supposed to. There's an inhibition, no road. So for me, it is very important and to actualize the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, the rural communities also benefit from the dividend of democracy. We went to the other side, the Kwali bridge. Can you imagine for how many years that contract was awarded and abandoned, and people were cut off? There's no way to link up. That's not fair. But still happy they were that, by the grace of God, come May 27th, that they are going to commission that. That is what people are looking for, good governance, to be part of government, to have the feelings that yes, there's a government in existence, not just government by them hearing. The only people recognize as government when they can feel it, when they can say yes, we have there's an impact, positive impact in our lives. So I'm quite happy with what I've seen there. The job is being done by one company called Horizon. This is a very important road, not less than 11 kilometers. Look at the topography of this place. Very difficult. I want to appeal to the contractor, Gilbo. I know that they have a lot of jobs in their hands, but again, they should expedite so that we'll be able to finish like they promised before the end of December this year. We believe that they will keep to their words. And I want to thank the chairman of Kwali to continue coming here to inspect and give us feedback of what they say, not only on what the civil servants, like the permanent secretary just told us. He shows that he does not come here at all. You know, he only brings files for payment. So, chairman, try, because it's their people. If you don't do it now for them, tomorrow they will hold you responsible. I can assure you that everything that was supposed to be done, we're going to complete all these roads, so we're very happy.
Are you impressed with the quality of work?
Gilbo have been doing a good job. This is not the first job they are doing, so I'm not in doubt of the capacity. They are the one doing N20, which will be commissioned. They are the one doing Guzape Lot 2. So they are doing quite a lot of jobs, and I'm quite happy. Now what they are doing is the earthwork and the culverts. You have said they have over 17 of such big culverts and some small ones that they want to tackle this major area, which is about 4 kilometers out of the 11 kilometers. By the time they are done with this, they are free to go.
Are we going to be seeing this
Honorable Minister, sir, I would like to say Honorable Minister of Projects, sir. I know Gilmore has given the assurances in terms of completion, but I think SCT residents will want to hear from you. Your word, I think they will prefer to take your word to the market, giving them assurances about the completion date, sir.
I don't know what assurances again. if I believe in what the contractor said, then let's work towards that. There are projects that they have told us that will be completed by May. If they don't complete that by May, then you don't have anything to trust them. By May, you can see the N20 and Guzepe Lot 2 will be completed. And if that is done, then they have told us before the end of the year, this should also be completed. So I think I take them by their words.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The road, if they're able to get it done before the heavy rains come, obviously they're good to go. And that's what I said, if they can do this the 4 kilometers, that they don't have problems in the community and this other area. This is where the problem lies, and that's what I'm tackling this area. I think they will be able to be out before the heavy rains come.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.